Most people only ever think about charcoal around Christmas. However, coal actually plays a really important role in our daily lives. And that's because we use coal to help power our phones, our laptops, and our favorite kitchen appliances. And a lot of this coal is actually mined for in the southeastern United States, which is where my research takes place. Often, this coal is mined through a process called strip mining. So this is where they remove the top layer of soil, dig out the coal seam, and then dump the rest of the soil back in. And this can create a lot of problems with soil health. And that's because soil naturally forms in very specific layers. So when these layers get jumbled up, it can have really negative impacts not only on soil health, but also on wildlife habitat, the water cycle, and even plant regeneration. And so this is where my project comes in. I'm going to be looking at using 2 soil amendments to help improve a post-mined site in Alabama. So these 2 soil amendments are biochar and a fungi. Biochar is this charcoal-like substance that's been heated to really high temperatures and has actually been shown to reverse a lot of the effects that mining has on soil. And then the second is a fungi, and that has a mutualistic relationship with plant roots, and it can help it uptake more water and nutrients, which will of course help them survive in this kind of poor soil condition. And then finally, I'm going to be working with shortleaf pine. And we chose this species not only because they're native to this region, but also because they're very hardy and can grow in this really poor site. And so we have 2 kind of goals for this project. The first goal is to see if these 2 soil amendments are going to improve soil health. And then the second is to see if those improvements in soil health will actually support better shortleaf pine regeneration on this really poor mined site. And so to do this, we are going to be measuring the height and the diameter of our shortleaf pine as a measure for their productivity and growth. And we're also going to be taking soil core samples and bringing them back to our lab here on campus to get some measurements on soil health. And so if we're successful in this project, we're hoping that we'll not only be able to improve post-mine sites within the southeastern United States, but hopefully to the rest of the country and even beyond. Thank you.